up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm sorry, but right now, all I can think about is Monster High. Finally got Toralei from Walmart's website at $24.99. I got Clawdeen Wolf's Bedroom on Amazon for $34.99. And I'm excited to check these out. I am slowly working on my little Monster High wall, and we've got a long way to go. I really want to see if I can fit this playset on a shelf on my wall. Out of the box, the bed is fully assembled. This is a chair. Ooh, I think that's a TV. Yeah, it's a little paperboard image that is on the back of a frame. The front looks like a little message board. That's a pretty cool way to utilize both sides. The bed has a gold-colored frame, cool little rounded detail at the top. Each post has a little moon at the top, claw feet. There's a headboard at one end. It's plastic, it's black, it's purple. There's a round plastic pillow. The mattress is plastic. It has a sculpted design. There's a purple moon on one side with little drips. Both sides are finished. On two of the corners, there are black trees. They're plastic. It's like a black with a gold glitter in it. That's pretty cool. I like the look of the trees and the moon behind it. I would have loved to have seen the moon be like a moon color, like yellow or white or glow in the dark. At the end of the bed, there are two black shelves. The lower shelf is wide and we can place a chair next to it and the dolls can use it as a desk. The back and seat of the chair are purple. There are two large pink moons and then like a tree trunk base. It's black with gold glitter to match the ones on the side. The chair spins, so that's pretty fun. And I love all the little details on the message board. That's really cute. In my opinion, of course. Let's open this paper bag. We have some accessories inside, like a plastic furry ottoman, a mini fridge, which is really cool because the last Clawdeen bedroom came with one as well. We have the Scarus photo on the front, a little bone handle, some claw marks. When we open it, we have a set of books. Okay, looks like a drink. It's a green drink. The bottle is see-through. It has a label, little bottle cap, and if you look real closely on that bottle cap, there's a little skullette. Then there's a skull and a little bone-shaped ice cream sandwich. There's a laptop, a paw pillow. It is plastic, and a little accessory that looks like a wolf in the moon. And I think it's supposed to resemble a neon light. We have some plastic lights that look like stars. Is it glow in the dark? Yeah, it is. I'm in the laundry room. Let's get some cell phone footage. Oh, wow. Do you see that? That's crazy. Oh, that would have been so perfect for the moon. We're just gonna hang our little stars right here. Here is a coffin-shaped mirror. There are little fangs at the top and a little stand in the back, so the mirror can stand. It's a pretty good mirror. There is a faux fur blanket. It's purple, pink, and blue, and it is aligned on the other side. Oh, that's so fabulous. This is pretty nice. I would love to see stuff like this carried over into Barbie. I feel like I could use it as a fuzzy rug or a blanket. It has some nice weight, so it hangs. And since the moon is right here, here is the view from the other side. I guess you could always turn it like that as well. Yeah, and we get a sheet of stickers. We can use them to decorate the mirror if we choose, and whatever else you like. This playset is definitely giving us a nice amount of stuff. It's like everything you need for a dorm room: bed, desk, mini fridge. And if we want to make a shelf for all of this, it's going to be pretty large, like 8 inches by like 20, 22. Our boards are 11 inches wide, so if we use 2, we would have 22 inches. Now we just need enough basswood to make a floor. I have 2 pieces that are 12 by 12 inches, so I'm cutting 2 inches off of one. Then I cut the remaining board at 7.5 inches. 8 would be better, but I'm trying to save a little space. Cut the other board at 7.5 inches. I cut another board at 7 inches. And I'm gonna glue them together. Repeat for the other board, and then we can glue them together. In hindsight, I could have overlapped the second layer to make them stronger, but too late for that now. I take the 2 boards and glue them together. I cut leftover balsa wood into 1/2-inch strips. On the 2 boards, I start drawing a room design. I drew a line 5 inches from the bottom. I carve a line every inch. First with my X-Acto knife, then I go over it with a dotting tool. I paint it. I'm going with a light purple. I did a little shading to bring out those lines, and I painted a few strips to match. I add a bluish color to the top. I paint the floor a purple and black, paint a few strips brown. I cut a 7 by 7 inch square. I cut off the corners, add clear plastic from packaging on top. I use hot glue to make a spider web. I go over the lines with paint, cut a few pieces of wood and glue them around the edge, and we can glue it onto the wall as a window. Let's glue on the floor. I glue brown strips onto the sides, add a few pieces at an angle, glue on purple trim to make a shelf inspired by the doll box. I used the window to cover the center seam. If we need a little extra support, we can add these black pieces on the sides. Then bring over the bed. It fits! We don't have a ton of floor space in the front, but remember, this is a shelf. There's enough space on the side for the chair. Add the books, the skull, the computer, the ottoman or footrest, the paw pillow, the mirror, mini fridge, and the light to complete our little doll display shelf. And we can always add lights and stuff if we want. Now we can finally open up Toralei. Monster type, ferocious werecat. Monster must-haves, scratch mark choker, and perfectly chilled milk box. Monster pet, Sweet Fangs. She has long orange and pink hair, large ears with earrings. There is sculpted fur in the ears, sculpted fur on her arms, as well as the ankle. She has a tail. It is in there, and we can rotate it around. Her hands are clawing over. She has pointed fingernails, pink, yellow, and orange eyeshadow, a painted nose, a beauty mark, and little sculpted fur on the side of the face. She wears a black plastic choker with a little scratch hanging from it, a red faux leather jacket with purple scratches, and a ribbon down one side to look like a zipper. It is finished all the way around. Under the jacket, she wears a white shirt. It's sleeveless, has red stitching at the neckline, and a graphic of a cat on the front. She wears a black, pink, and yellow skirt, silver-colored chain at the waist, cream-colored shoes with sculpted socks, painted black soles, and painted laces, as well as red scratch marks. The bottom of her shoes have paw prints, and there are sculpted balls of yarn hanging from the back. She comes with a silver-colored Hiss Fits backpack. It has one strap and an orange-colored charm hanging from the bottom. It's a mouse and a feather. She also has a Hiss Fits t-shirt, a can of fish cat food. It's hollow on the bottom, and you can see some little can details on the top. She comes with a small box of milk that has a little loop so she can hold it. She also comes with an orange cell phone that has a little cat holding it in the back. That is cute. Here is Sweet Fang with a removable collar, totally giving me Cave Club. She also comes with a silver-colored microphone stand. The top can be separated. There's a purple microphone at the top, and I love how this is shaped like a hand. That's cute. I now have two Toraleis, one from Ghoul Spirit and then the Core Doll. Ghoul Spirit has a part in the center, Core Doll has a part on the side. They have different eye makeup, and Ghoul Spirit has a glossy lip, whereas the Core Doll has more of a satin finish. Now that we have two, let's give one a haircut. And I'm using a little nail polish remover to remove that nose. I twist her hair and secure it with elastics, then give her a hot water rinse. Allow it to dry, then let's go ahead and take the first chop. I start with it long, then slowly take away a little bit at a time. Untwist the hair to give her a new look. I probably could have gone a little shorter, but I was scared that I would destroy the doll, so we're gonna hang out here for a while. And those are my latest additions to my Monster High world. I'm loving my shelves. I walk into my office every day and I'm greeted with Monster High. We're figuring out new ways to display the collection and keeping them photo ready. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.